Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today's video features the Skydroid H12 Pro paired with CUAV C-Compass and CUAV NEO 3X for a flight test. Skydroid H12 Pro remote control is equipped with wireless high-definition image transmission technology independently developed by Yunzhuo Technology, integrating remote control, data, and image transmission into one. Features adaptive frequency selection and can automatically switch to the frequency band with the least interference. Communication range can reach up to 10 kilometers. CUAV C-Compass is a compact, high-precision magnetometer equipped with an RM3100 magnetic sensor. It offers low noise and strong anti-interference capability, allowing the aircraft to maintain stable performance. It uses DroneCAN bus communication and is fully compatible with ArduPilot and PX4 platforms. CUAV NEO 3X has a built-in M9N receiver capable of concurrent reception of 4 GNSS systems, making it adaptable to various harsh environments. Designed to the IP66 standard, it is sealed against dust and rain. Features an STM32F4 series processor, ICP2100 barometer, u-blox M9N module, and RM3100 industrial compass. Supports CAN bus communication based on the DroneCAN protocol, with a maximum communication distance of 1.5 meters. Products used in this flight test include CUAV V5 Nano Flight Controller, CUAV C-Compass, Skydroid H12 Pro Remote Controller, CUAV NEO 3X, and a 450 frame. Pre-flight preparation. Unlock the motors without installing the propellers to check if the motor rotation directions are correct. After verification, install the propellers. In this test, the CUAV C-Compass is used together with the CUAV NEO 3X GPS. The NEO 3X GPS provides excellent positioning performance and IP66 rated dust and water resistance, unaffected by wind, rain, or sand. The C-Compass, with its advanced magnetic filtering algorithm, can effectively eliminate magnetic interference and accurately measure the device's heading. It is a high-performance industrial anti-interference magnetometer. Combination of the two ensures more stable and safer flight and is capable of handling complex environments effectively. The Skydroid H12 Pro features sensitive joystick response, capable of accurately capturing control inputs and achieving refined flight control. Control process is smooth and fluid with no noticeable delay or lag. Even during aggressive stick movements, it maintains stable performance. Switching to RTL mode, the drone is able to accurately return to its original takeoff point. That concludes today's flight test video of the Skydroid H12 Pro paired with CUAV C-Compass and CUAV NEO 3X. Thank you for watching and for your support. If you have any questions about the video or want us to go into more detail in future content, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the World Drone Market channel. We'll continue to bring you more drone equipment reviews, flight controller tutorials, and industry application guides. See you in the next video.